everyone. Welcome to Hello English.
Hello, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sofia, your teacher. Today is a happy day.
Because today we learn English. Easy, simple, and fun.
Yes, we will learn how to say hello, count numbers, talk about days, food, and daily life.
A full English day.
Exactly. So, are you ready, dear listener?
Let's start our English day together.
In the morning, we say,
Good morning.
very good. Say it with us, everyone.
Good morning.
Nice. In the afternoon, we say,
Good afternoon.
great. And in the evening,
Good evening.
yes. And at night, before sleep,
Good night.
very good. Let's practice again. Repeat after us.
Good morning.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon. Good evening. Good night.
It's so easy.
Yeah.
Yes, English greetings are friendly and warm.
What about hello and hi?
Good question. You can say hello anytime. You can say hi to friends.
Hello, Sophia.
Hi, Daniel.
Hello, listeners.
Hello, everyone. Great job. Now, Daniel, let's count.
Okay, numbers time.
Repeat after me, everyone. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. Let's practice again. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very nice.
I can count.
Yes, you can. Let's use numbers in sentences. How many apples do you have, Daniel?
I have 2 apples.
Good. And how many cups?
I have 1 cup.
Excellent. Listeners, your turn. Say it with us. I have 3 pens. Good job. Now let's learn the days of the week.
Oh, yes. There are 7 days.
Correct. Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Very good.
I like Sunday. It's my rest day.
Me too. I drink coffee and read a book on Sunday.
And on Monday, I go to work.
Listeners, what about you? What do you do on Monday?
Maybe they study English.
That's right. Let's repeat one more time. Fast. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, Daniel, look around your room.
Okay, I see my chair, my table, my pen.
Great. Let's say some common objects. Table, chair, book, pen, bag, phone, cup, computer.
Table, chair, book, pen, bag, phone, cup, computer.
Excellent. Let's make small sentences. This is a pen.
This is a book.
That is a chair.
That is a table.
Listeners, can you say it too? This is a cup. Pause. Good job.
English is fun when we use real things.
Yes. Touch your cup, touch your pen, and say the word out loud. Let's go to the kitchen now.
Oh, I'm hungry already.
Let's learn food and drink words. Say with me. Apple, banana, bread, rice, milk, water, juice, tea, coffee.
Apple, banana, bread, rice, milk, water, juice, tea, coffee.
Great! Now let's make small sentences. I eat an apple.
I drink water.
I like coffee.
I like rice.
What do you like, listeners?
Maybe they like juice.
Yes, everyone likes juice. Let's practice I like and I don't like. I like apples. I don't like tea.
I like bananas. I don't like coffee.
Perfect. Repeat with us. I like blank. I don't like blank. Pause for listener. Now, let's talk about your day.
My daily activities.
Yes. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Very good. Then what?
I go to work. I work. I talk to people.
Nice. And in the evening?
I go home. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I sleep.
Excellent. Let's say it together slowly so listeners can repeat. Wake up. Brush teeth. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Eat lunch. Go home. Eat dinner. Watch TV. Sleep. Let's say it together slowly so listeners can repeat. Wake up. Brush teeth. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Eat lunch. Go home. Eat dinner. Watch TV. Sleep.
My day is full.
Haha, yes, everyone's day is full. Let's make a small dialogue. What do you do in the morning, Daniel?
I eat breakfast.
What do you drink?
I drink tea.
What do you do at night?
I sleep early.
Good. Now, listeners, your turn. What do you do in the morning? Good job. Let's use everything we learned. Greetings, numbers, days, objects, food, and daily life, all in one small story.
Oh, yes, a full English story.
Ready? Let's go. It's Monday morning.
I wake up at 7.
I say, good morning.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast, 1 apple and 1 cup of coffee.
I go to work. I have my bag, my phone, and my pen.
I meet my friends. I say, hello.
We work and talk.
In the afternoon, I drink tea.
In the evening, I go home.
I eat rice and vegetables for dinner.
I watch TV and relax.
At night, I say, good night.
And I sleep.
That's a full day, all in English.
Wow, we used so many words.
Yes, greetings, numbers, days, objects, food, and daily activities.
And it's easy when we practice slowly.
Very true. Let's review what we learned today.
Okay, let's do it.
Greetings. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, hello, hi.
Numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Days. Monday to Sunday.
Objects: table, chair, pen, book, cup, phone.
Food and drinks. Apple, banana, bread, rice, milk, water, tea, coffee.
Daily activities: wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast,
go to work, eat dinner, sleep.
Perfect.
I love English now.
I'm happy. You did great.
And our listeners, you did great too.
Yes, keep listening, keep practicing, and your English will grow every day.
Thank you, Sophia.
Thank you, Daniel.
And thank you, listener.
We'll see you next time for another easy English lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.